Right, this is a quick and dirty installation guide for the Printer Potty external waste ink kit on an Epson R265. This is the same for the R360 and a couple of other models. It's a very old printer, but the key bit is being able to get into the printer. So what you've got to do is remove the screw that's here. It's a Phillips screw, so you just take that out. Put that to one side. Getting into the actual panel is a little bit tricky. There is a catch just here behind this bit here. Now there's a couple of different ways of doing this. The one that I prefer doing myself is to get a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver in and do that. Now this has already been done a few times, so this is slightly weak. You may find that you have to give it a little bit more of a push. If you get really stuck, you can actually put a knife or a butter knife, something similar, down through here to do the same thing, to release it, and it will pull off just here. You can see the catch, and there's a little anchor point just here. So once you've pulled that off, you can then see your waste tube is connected to a little pad holder here at the front. What you need to do is pull this off. If you get really stuck, you can always get a pair of scissors and just chop it. Once you've got it to this stage, you need to create an exit hole so that the tube can extend outwards without it folding or crimping. And this spot here is about the right size. 4mm diameter hole, and it is approximately an inch and a half there, and maybe an inch and a quarter there from the front of the panel and the bottom. Once you've got that sorted, you then push your extension through into the unit, reattach the barb, and then you attach the internal waste tube to that internally, like so. Then you pull everything reasonably tight. You check that the tubing inside is not going to fold or crimp, catch anything. And once you're happy that everything's sorted, just slide that all back into position and pull that nice and tight. Last thing to do is to put the screw back in the rear, like so, and attach the tubing connector to the tank valve. Just screw that clockwise on. And that's pretty much it. That's how you install an external Printer Potty waste ink tank on an Epson Stylus Photo R265, R360 or comparable models.